Good evening, my dear student. How are you people? How you people doing? How are you doing, you people? Okay. Welcome to my physics LCR class. Today I am going to explain. Same chapter, motion in one dimension. It is a very big chapter. Already I told actually. So today I am going to explain what is speed, velocity, acceleration, force. So these four concepts I am going to explain. Four concept, main concept I am going to explain: speed, velocity, acceleration, and force. Okay. So what is speed? What is speed? When body move in a particular direction, it is not a direction. When body cover a distance per time, body covering a distance per time, this is known as speed. Body moving in a distance, actually it is covering a distance. So it is moving like this. What is the speed we can see? When vehicle is actually moving, what is the speed actually? So it is a 20 kilometer per hour. 1 hour 20 kilometer this body covers. This body actually travel 20 kilometer one place to another place per 1 hour. That is known as speed. So distance by time. Distance by time, that is speed. Have you understood? We are saying 20 kilometer per hour. 20 kilometer per hour. So 1 hour, this body covers a distance 20 kilometer. 100 kilometer per hour. 1 hour, this body covering a distance, traveling a distance 100 kilometer. That is the speed. Speed equal to distance by time. Speed equal to distance by time. So we can say 20 meter per second. When athlete actually running in a straight line or circular path, athlete actually they are running. What is the speed of that athlete? What is the speed of the athlete? So that is we are saying 20 meter per second. Okay, so these are the vehicle speed I am telling. The person we are moving or running, we are saying 20 meter per second. Okay, so here SI unit. SI unit, we are studying SI unit and C.G.S unit. SI unit is a bigger unit, C.G.S is a smaller unit. Okay, so SI is a international standard unit. C.G.S is a centigram second. Centimeter gram second. Lower classes already we studied about this unit. SI unit of speed is meter per second. C.G.S unit of speed is centimeter per second. Note down please. Meter per second, SI unit. C.G.S unit is centimeter per second. Speed is a scalar quantity. There is no direction. Distance by time. Distance by time. So that is a speed actually. Body cover a distance in a unit time interval. Body travel or cover a distance in unit time interval is known as speed. Speed we are denoting by letter S. So formula we can write S equal to D by T. Speed equal to distance by time. Generally you write full form, that is better. You write in a full form, that is a speed equal to distance by time. That is better actually. That these are the we cannot use such type of this. So you have to write full form. Speed equal to distance by time. Speed equal to distance by time. Okay. So this speed actually we can say uniform speed, variable speed, instantaneous speed. What is a uniform speed? What is the uniform speed? Equal distance in equal time interval. The body covering a equal distance in equal time interval. So how you can say equal distance in equal time interval? The body actually moving like, so 1 hour, 20 kilometer 20 kilometer, 20 kilometer. So this is, we can say, uniform speed. First one hour 20 kilometer, next 1 hour 20 kilometer, next 1 hour 20 kilometer. We can say to be this body is uniform speed. This body is uniform speed. What is the variable speed? Variable speed means different distance in uniform time or uniform distance per there is a non-uniform time. So that is a variable speed. That is a variable speed. Uniform speed means both should be uniform. Equal distance by equal time interval. Now variable speed, non-uniform. Non-uniform also we can say non-uniform or variable speed. Same distance, body covering a same distance, uniform distance. That is a 20-20. Time will be different. 1 hour, half an hour, 1.5 hour, like this. Time is changing. So that is a non-uniform or variable speed we can say. What is instantaneous speed? That particular time, at a particular time, what is the speed we are going to calculate? That is a instantaneous speed. At that moment, what is the speed? So vehicle having a speedometer, in that field speedometer, we can measure what is the instantaneous speed. Okay, so this is about the speed. Next one actually, what is velocity? What is about the velocity? Velocity equal to displacement by time. You people know about displacement. Displacement is a distance with the direction. Distance with the direction. Yeah? So what is the SI unit? Meter per second. C.G.S unit is centimeter per second. Same unit. So what is the speed having? Same unit. Velocity also. So velocity, just to see, velocity we can write speed plus particular direction we can say. So the just you see distance by time. Here distance and direction. So just to see distance and the direction. So distance by time we are saying this is speed actually. Speed and the direction, that is velocity. Velocity is not a new thing. Velocity is not a new thing. It is actually, you people know about the speed. You people know about the speed. So speed with particular direction. The vehicle moving, just to see, the vehicle moving. Any car, bike, train, anything actually it is moving. 100 kilometer per hour. So this is speed. This is a speed. In east direction. You people know about speed. 1 hour, 100 kilometer per hour it is a speed. 1 hour the body covers 100 kilometer. 1 hour the body covers 100 kilometer. That is in east direction it will become a velocity. It is a velocity. So that is I told. Speed, velocity, acceleration, force, everything it is related I told. It is related I told. So here just to see velocity equal to speed and direction. Velocity is a vector quantity. How you are going to denote? We, the overhead actually we are applying arrow mark. We are applying a arrow mark. Okay. So this is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Have you understood? So speed with the direction. Speed with the direction. So distance by time, this is speed with the direction. Body covering a particular distance with the direction per unit time interval. That is velocity. That is velocity. So body with having a speed with direction. So we can say it is a velocity. So that is we here mentioning displacement by time. Displacement by time. Displacement. Distance with the direction. Distance with the direction. With the time. So ratio between these two, we can say it is a velocity. Velocity also uniform velocity, variable velocity, instantaneous velocity. Uniform velocity means uniform displacement. Uniform displacement and uniform time interval. That is uniform velocity. It is a Uniform velocity. Changing velocity means here three things are there. What are the three things? Distance, time, direction. Three things are there actually. So three quantities are there. Any one quantity will change. Velocity will change. Velocity. So uniform distance and uniform time is there. Continuously direction is changing. Continuously direction is changing. So variable velocity. Otherwise non-uniform distance, uniform time and same direction. Same direction. So it can be. So three quantities here actually. Any one quantity it will be different. That is we can say variable velocity. Variable velocity. What is instantaneous velocity? I am not changing actually. Same thing. Instantaneous velocity. That particular time, what is the velocity? What is the speed? What is the velocity? That is the instantaneous velocity. That is the instantaneous velocity. So this is about velocity. Velocity, speed with the direction, or distance by time. Distance with the direction is called displacement. Distance with the direction, we can write that is a displacement. Displacement by time. This is velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. What is the SI unit of velocity? Meter per second. C.G.S unit is centimeter per second. C.G.S unit is centimeter per second. Okay, so this is about velocity. Okay, next one. What is the acceleration? What is the acceleration? This speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity, acceleration vector quantity, force also vector quantity. So these three things, no, it is a vector quantity. What is acceleration? You people know about what is initial velocity, final velocity. Here three things are there. Initial velocity, final velocity. So u is a initial velocity. This is initial velocity. V is a final velocity. T is a time. T is a time. Suppose you are riding a bicycle. From home you are going to start. You are in a road. Now you are in a road. So initially you have some speed. When you are, that road is actually no rush actually. It is free. Yeah? So that's why you are increasing the speed. You are going to increasing the speed. So initially you start the some speed. So it is having some direction, particular direction. So that's why we are saying a initial velocity. So you are increasing the speed. You are increasing the speed. That is a final velocity. This is so time actually we are considering 3 seconds. So change in velocity. What is acceleration? What is acceleration? That is here written change in velocity. Change in velocity by time. Change in velocity by time. So you know final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So here find initial velocity, final velocity. This is actually initial velocity. You started the speed now 15 meter per second. So in velocity we are not mentioning the direction, but we are giving an arrow mark. So that means it is having a direction. It is having a direction. So you are going to increasing the speed. You are going to increasing the speed. That is how much actually? 30 meter per second. 30 meter per second. Okay. So now just you see these. You are going to start with 15 meter per second. Well, you are going to increasing the speed. That is a 30 meter per second. What is the time duration? 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds, how you are going to increase? So that is known as acceleration. body actually getting accelerated. When it is body actually moving on a road, moving on a path, it is going to accelerated. Body, we are saying body is accelerated. Acceleration. What is the acceleration? Change in velocity by time. Now v is a 30, initial is a 15, you give a 3 that 3 second you give, that is better. So by 3. So just to see what happened, 15 by 3, how much will come? 15 by 3, that is 5 times meter per second squared. Acceleration unit, SI unit is meter per second squared, C.G.S unit is centimeter per second squared. Just you see, meter per second, learn, okay, all the units, SI unit, C.G.S unit, you have to learn it actually. Meter per second. So meter per second squared. So you can write like this, meter S power minus 2 also we can write. S power minus 2, you people know about indices, you people studied. So S power minus 2 you can write like this also. So this is about acceleration. Sometimes we are increasing the speed, sometimes we are applying a brake. You are entering in the rush place, crowded place. So you are going to applying the brake. So your speed is going to decrease. Your speed is going to decrease. Suppose you are moving in a 45 meter per second. 45 meter per second. So now you are going applying a brake. You are going to apply the brake. So what will happen now? Just you see, this will become 30. So V will become 45. Just you see. Now how you are getting? 30 minus 45. 30 minus 45. So your value will become minus 5. Your value will become minus 5. Just to see. Previous case you are having a positive 5. Now you are having a speed 45 meter per second. 45 meter per second. So you are applying a brake. So you are decreasing the speed. You are slow down. Decreasing the speed. Time interval is 3 seconds. Time interval is 3 seconds. So acceleration. Acceleration same formula. Change in velocity. Final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So 30 minus 45 by 3. So you are going to get minus 5. So this is also acceleration, but you are going to retarded, decreasing the speed. So that is known as retardation. That is known as retardation. So retardation means negative acceleration, but you cannot define negative acceleration and retardation. What is acceleration? What is retardation? Acceleration having a positive value, retardation is a negative value. So what is acceleration? What is acceleration? Rate of change of velocity with time interval. Rate of change of velocity in a positive manner. So that is actually positive manner. It is an acceleration, rate of change of velocity with time interval. With a time interval. That is known as acceleration. Acceleration is a positive value. What is retardation? Retardation is a rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity in a decreasing manner. That is known as retardation. That is known as retardation. Acceleration is a positive value. Retardation is a negative value. Sometimes U is a at rest. Sometimes we are going to mention that is a initial velocity. Body start from rest. Sometimes we are saying body start from rest. Then increasing the speed or velocity. So that time we are saying initial velocity will become 0. Sometime you are in speed. you are in speed, you are going to stop the vehicle. You are going to stop the vehicle. Our body coming to rest. Body coming to rest. So that time we are saying V equal to 0. So you people know about this. What is acceleration? Acceleration is a positive value. So this is I am going to mention. Body start from rest. Body start from rest. It is 0. Body comes to rest. Body comes to rest. This is start from rest, comes to rest. Body comes to rest. Hold on please. V equal to 0. V equal to 0. So this is also we can apply, say that formula I told you, no? Same thing. When body start from rest, it will become a positive value. When comes to rest, it will become a negative value. It is going to decrease. Come to rest means decreasing the speed, decreasing the velocity. So it will become a negative value. So acceleration, 4 cases V, 2 cases accelerated body will come, retardation will come, negative value. Okay, so this is about acceleration. Acceleration, change in velocity, V minus U by T, final velocity minus initial velocity, here I mentioned. Okay, T. So what is the SI unit of acceleration? Meter per second square. C.G.S unit, centimeter per second square. Centimeter per second square. Acceleration, retardation. Retardation. Suppose this is also you can say acceleration. This is also we can say acceleration. Suppose you are mentioning a retardation. Retardation. So that is when you are mentioning retardation, you can write 5 meter per second. So it is understood. So minus actually we are not mentioning. Acceleration means minus you are mentioning. We calculated actually. Just we calculated. Retardation means minus we are not mentioning. So the sign actually explains the body accelerated. If it is plus, body is accelerated. If there is minus 5 meter per second square, body is retarded. It is slowed down. The speed or velocity is coming down actually. Have you understood what is acceleration? What is retardation? So next actually we are going to study about force actually. So you people know about the acceleration. Okay. Body actually you are going to apply the force. Body actually moves. Body accelerated. This body accelerates. So you know about the accelerate means acceleration equal to change in velocity by t. Always we are not putting arrow mark. We can understand v minus u by t. So it is a velocity. It is a velocity. Always we are not mentioning this. Initially you should know about. It is a vector quantity. Acceleration, suppose I am saying it is a vector quantity. Initial velocity I am saying it is a vector quantity. Always we are not mentioning. Okay. So acceleration equal to change in velocity by time. When you are applying a force, what is force? What is force? This body having a mass. This body having a mass. It is a mass. 5 kg, 2 kg, whatever it may be, it is a mass actually. Body has a mass. So what is a force? What is the force? Force we can say. What is force? Force is a product of mass into. What is force? What is force? Mass into acceleration. Force equal to mass into F equal to M into A. M into A. So you know about the acceleration. We studied speed, velocity, acceleration. Okay. So just you see velocity, speed is coming, acceleration, velocities are coming. Initial velocity, final velocity. That is I told you, it is having some connection is there. Connection is there. Now you see acceleration, you know what is force we can calculate. When you are kicking any object, ball you are kicking, ball actually it is moving. Okay, so what is the force? Kick means it is a force. How much force you applied, we can calculate actually. You can calculate the force. So the body having a mass. The body having a mass. Body actually it is a 5 kg mass. 5 kg, 1 kg mass actually. Suppose the body having a 2 kg mass, the acceleration is 5 meter per second squared. 5 meter per second squared. What is the force? What is the force? Just you see, how much mass? 2 into 5. How much force you applied? 10 Newton force you applied. 10 Newton force. Product of mass into acceleration. Product of mass into acceleration. That will be the force. So, while force actually having SI unit and C.G.S unit, what is the SI unit of the force? What is the SI unit of the force? Newton. Always you write on capital N, Newton. Capital N, Newton. Newton actually he derived. He find out the unit. That's why it is a Newton. Initial time, no, the people actually who's discovering, they are giving their name only. Newton, Joule, then Ampere, these are actually Armstrong, these are the unit. Actually these are the scientist unit name actually. These all the units are actually scientist name. So they are giving their name, own name actually. So Newton here, so you can write SI unit kg meter per second squared also we can write. Kg meter per second squared also we can write. What is the C.G.S unit? What is the C.G.S unit? Dyne or gram centimeter per second squared. Gram centimeter per second squared or dyne we are mentioning. SI unit of forces Newton, C.G.S unit dyne actually. So everything, speed, velocity, acceleration, force, everything actually related. First you know, force you are studying means you should know about speed. Then you should know about the velocity. You should know about the acceleration. When body moves, you are kicking the object, body actually start moving. Body is accelerated. Body is accelerated. Okay, so force means mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. These are the main concept actually. So next class we are going to start with the graph. We are going to start with the graph. So today I am going to complete my session. Thank you student. Every day you have to study whatever we are teaching now. Just you study, go through it properly. Thank you. Thank you students.